Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the WWE 2K25 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once it is opened up, make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. From here, just click on the search box and just type in WWE 2K25 and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and you will now be taken into the game's detail page. You can watch the trailer as well as check the reviews, and then you can scroll down and you will see the Add to Cart button. There are various different editions of the game, so just click on Add to Cart alongside the version that you wish to buy. Once you click on this button, just click on View My Cart to proceed to your payment window. Once you click on Continue to Payment, you can now choose your payment method that you would like to use for your game. Click on the drop-down menu and then choose your desired method and continue forward, and you will now be asked to use your credentials. If you have chosen PayPal for instance, just enter your email address or phone number and your password to log in. After logging in and finalizing your transaction, the game will now be added to your library and you can now complete the installation with just a few clicks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the WWE 2K25 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.